Okay, guys, so we just finished this first step, right, where we looked at this. Now I want you to continue going down. Now we're going to be working in this blue square, and our answer is going to be in this green square. We're only going to type in the yellow squares, nowhere else, okay? If you type in somewhere else, you mess up everything. All right, so here's the first square, right here. Year one solar electricity produced in kilowatts per hour. That's, I'll write it down here. That's page 67, the first number in step 3 for your customer. Okay, so go to page 67, the first number in step 3, not the answer, the first step. For customer 0, it was 7,921. Now, we're going to be filling in this part right here, this little chart right here, okay? That's what we're doing right now on page 75, this chart, okay? So it's basically, you have different options of the lease rate. So this is a lock fixed rate. So instead of having your electric bill like rise every year, it's a fixed rate for that amount of time. So you're going to change these one at a time. So the first one says option 1 is 10 cents. So I'm going to put 0.1 and then hit enter. Okay. So right now it's asking you for the percent. So you're going to go over here. Let me change this. You're going to go over here, and this number in purple, this percent, I want you to write it down in your chart on page 75. So because this number is not going to change, you're going to leave that there. This is our first number, 0.10, because that's option 1. Then we look over here for the percent. Okay, did you write that down? Good. Now we're going to do the second rate. In our chart, it says 0.15. The chart's also over here. So option 2 is 0.15. So I'm going to type in 0.15, enter. That's the second percent I'm going to write down. Now, again, this is for customer 0. You want to do it for your customer. What's the only difference? This number. This number is the one that's different for you and I. This is customer 0, and this is the only thing. You're going to keep changing this, and you're going to write down the percent for your customer. So whatever this is, where did I get this number? Page 67, first number. So then I write this number on my chart. I know it's a lot. I'm sorry. Then I'm going to change this to 0.20. Why do I keep using these random numbers? I'm not. I'm just going along right here. So 0.20, enter. This is now a different percent. I'm going to write that down in option 3. Continuing on, my next one is option 4, which is 0.25. So change this to 0.25, enter. Negative percent. We'll talk about that. Okay, so this, and then you're going to keep writing these percent on your graph. On your chart on page 75. All you're doing, okay, 0.25. I already did that. I got 2 more to go. You guys can do it. Again, this has to be your personal number for your customer. How do I get this number? Right here. Okay, so I'm just going to keep changing this. 0.30, enter. Negative 31, I'm going to write that down. All right, hopefully that's helpful.